Another episode is here on Leading Forex YouTube channel. Free Forex training for every trader, whether you are a beginner or you are an already experienced trader. There's something very important or vital you might find on this channel. So if this is your first video, then I would suggest that you go to the beginner video, which you will find in the playlist, Free Forex Training for Beginners on this channel. There is a playlist on this channel named as Free Forex Training for Beginners. Go to that playlist, and then the part 1 video is there, and then begin watching, start from there, and come all the way to part 28, which is this video. And if you're already on this channel and you've watched part 26 and 27 of our tutorials, I'm sure you'll be yearning to see part 28. So today, we have the part 28 of our free forex training for every trader. Now, in this video, we're going to continue from our second topic, which is sentiment. You know, we dealt with technical analysis, and currently we are on sentiment analysis. So we're still on sentiment analysis, and in today's video, we will continue from sentiment analysis. Now, I'm told the analysis, there was a mistake. Here is supposed to be an I. Yes, so pardon me for that. The hand is a bit faster sometimes, or the mind is faster. Which is faster? I don't know. So sometimes the mind is faster than the hand, right? Good. So sentiment analysis, that is what matters. It's not about the spellings. Okay, so what are we going to look at today? But before we jump into today's topic, if you have something to do with training, or you have difficulty and you feel like getting in touch with me, this is the way to get in touch with me. I have a Telegram handle, so you can send me a message on Telegram at Kofi Dollar. That is my Telegram handle, at Kofi Dollar. Or you can send me an email, leadingforexgh@gmail.com. Or you can also call me or WhatsApp me on +233 246 136609. The +233 is the country code, which is Ghana. I am in Ghana. My name is Kofi. You can call me Kofi all the time. So today, I want to tell you what is the reason and what is the purpose of we doing this tutorial on this channel. Now, Leading Forex, we are an alternative in the status quo that you are stuck in. That is what we stand for. That is the meaning of what we are doing on this channel. Leading Forex, we are here to help. We are here to change the narrative. There is a status quo in which you are stuck in terms of online Forex or online business, in terms of making money online. Be it stocks, be it in cryptocurrency, be it in investment or whatsoever. Leading Forex, we are here. Supposing you are stuck in Forex trading, or maybe in commodity trading, which has to do with metals and the rest, or you are stuck in cryptocurrency trading, we are here to change the narrative. We know you are stuck in something and you need an explanation to that. You want a way out. We are here to provide you that service or that help. So we are an alternative in the status quo that you are stuck in. That is what Leading Forex will stand for. That is what we are all about. So if you are stuck in an area that you need help, that you need support, that you need clarification, we are always here for you. So we want you to be part of our community by joining this channel or subscribing to this channel, so that anytime there will be a need for us to clarify or to help you in a status quo, in something which you might be finding it difficult to get your way through, trust me, Leading Forex will be here to give you that support. That is the reason why we have started with tutorials on this channel. I know a lot of people have challenged when it comes to the Forex trading market. So we are here to provide you that solution. We are not here to be the best. but we want to provide you the solution to whatever you are stuck in. Maybe yours is to get some idea or some basic information about Forex. We are here for you. Be it cryptocurrency, we are here for you. Be it commodities or metal trading or whatsoever in terms of investment online, Leading Forex will be here to support you, to help you, or to give you that solution you've been looking for. So be with us on this channel. And I know those of you who have been here before already know how good we are helping others, or how good our information here have been a source of good or a source of relief to your career in terms of online Forex or online trading or online business or anything online to do with investment. So today you know what we stand for. Leading Forex, we are an alternative in that status quo that you are stuck in. What is that status quo that you are stuck in terms of online investment? Is it Forex? Is it the crypto market? Is it the future trading? Is it about stock? Whatsoever it is, we will be here to help you out. So currently we are tackling Forex. And so we are looking at some basic analysis that we have in the Forex market. There are three of them: technical analysis, sentiment analysis, and then fundamental analysis. Today we are on sentiment analysis because we almost done with technical analysis. So we are on sentiment analysis. So let's go to what we have for you today in terms of sentiment analysis. Now, before you understand this video very, very well, you may have to go and watch the part 26 and 27 video on this channel. The part 26 talks about the beginning of sentiment. And then the part 27 talks about some websites or some online platforms that provide us with sentiment. And in part 27, we talked about one of them, which is the Forex Client Sentiment website. So in this video, we are going to look at the rest. I'm combining all the others in this video. So today we'll be looking at the next website, which is myfxbook.com. myfxbook.com. It's also another site that provides us with sentiment. Now, in case you'll be having challenge with the website, I will put the link to this website in the description of this video. All the websites that I'm going to talk about, you'll find the link of them in the description of this video. So if you need any of the links, just go to the description of this video and you'll get the link to all the sentiment websites. So once you click on the link, it will take you straight to the sentiment aspect. Is that okay? Good. Now, when you go to myfxbook.com, there are a lot of things you will find on that website. Among them is the sentiment. Now, Myfxbook is a broker, and they provide us with sentiment with regards to traders who are on their broker. Please get this explanation clear. They provide us with sentiment that has to do with them. All the traders that are with myfxbook.com. Myfxbook is a broker. So all the traders that are with them, they give us analysis with regards to these traders, their position. And it is believed that because they are one of the popular brokers in the world, their sentiment or their traders' sentiment sometimes is able to give us the actual prediction of where the banks will want to go. So it is good that we look at them. So myfxbook.com is only giving you sentiment with regards to traders that are with them as a broker. Is that okay? So when you look at Myfxbook, they have the green portion, which has to do with traders that are long. on each currency pair. So when you take Euro USD, the green portion has to do with traders that are long on my FXBook as a broker. Is that okay? And then the red portion has to do with traders that are on short with my FXBook as a broker. When you take the next pair, GBP USD, there are lots of them, including the exotic pairs. When you go to the link that I will leave at the description of this video, you'll be able to see all the currency pairs, including some metals, gold, and the rest. You'll find the position of traders on those currency pairs. So the green portion has to do with the buyers, and the red portion has to do with the sellers. And already, if you have watched the part 26 and 27 video, you already know what approach you should give to this when you see it. When you see the buyers and the sellers, we are looking at where the majority are. And once we find out where the majority are, we go the opposite of the majority. That is the approach we give to sentiment trading. So if you want to be a sentiment trader, you must always be in the minority. And in the part 27, I explain why you're supposed to be in the minority. So when you click on each of these currency pairs, especially the colored portion, there will be a pop-up. But before I talk about that pop-up, let's look at the symbols. When you look at the symbols, there is popularity portion here. This has to do with the total number of the total number of traders on my FXBook as a broker. They are trying to give you the general idea of the totality of traders that are on each of the currency pairs. So when you look at Euro USD, it is the most traded currency on my FXBook. So that is why you see symbol popularity being very huge. The cream color that you see here has to do with the total number of people on my FXBook as a broker who are trading Euro USD. And you will see that this Euro USD has a lot of people on it, followed by currently GBP USD, and then the rest, USD JPY, and then USD CAD, and then AUD USD. So you see the popularity, which has to do with the total number of traders that are on each of the currency pairs. So that is how come we have the symbol popularity here. Now about this, I always say that we should ignore these others: average short price and average long price and the current price. Those ones are not really important. Now, I may not be able to take you to the website straightforward because my FXBook has Google AdSense on their site. So once I go straight to their site, I may not be able to post whatever I may be recording now on my YouTube channel. So that is why I am not taking you straight to their website. But I'm going to give you the details that you need with regards to their website. Is that okay? I am not able to go there because of the advert that is on their site. All right? The advert is copyrighted, so I can't go to their site. If I go straight to their site, YouTube will not allow me to post that on my channel. So please bear with me. But when you go straight to the link at the description, click on it, it will take you straight to the website. Is that okay? Good. Now, back to the shaded area here, the green and red portion. When you click on it, you will see something like this. You will see something like this. The black portion here, for instance, I clicked on USD JPY and I decided to give you a screenshot of what it looks like. So when you look at USD JPY, this is the pop-up that comes when you click on the shaded area, the red and then the green portion. You have this. Now you see the symbol, which is USD JPY. You see the action, short and long. Short means sell, long means buy. So we have 76% of the traders selling, and then 24% of the traders buying. This is USD JPY. 76% of traders selling, and then 24% of traders buying. So when you look at this two, you realize that the majority are on sell and minority are on buy. So you already know what to do. You'll be looking at buying opportunities because you want to be in the minority. You don't want to be in the majority. So you'll be looking at buying opportunities. Now, my FXBook is able to give you the number of lot size that traders have used on USDJPY. In terms of short, this is the total number of lot sizes that people have placed. So the majority, the 76% traders who are on short on USDJPY, this is their total number of lot sizes. 5,461.85 lot sizes that has been placed on short. Now, the 24% that are buying, these are their total number of lot sizes. 1,770.49 lot sizes. So you see that, yes, a lot of lot sizes are on the short, which is a sell. People that have placed sell are so huge. Look at their lot sizes, a total number of their lot sizes. Now, these are also a total number of their positions. So those who have placed sell, they are 76%. This is their total number of lot sizes, and this is their total number of trades. They have placed 13,450 trades. So the 13,450 trades make up this lot size and then also give us this percentage. When it comes to those who are on buy, we have positions that are open, the number of trades that has been placed. We have 5,547 trades, making up a total number of lot size of 1,770.49, and then the percentage being just 24%. So this is what you will see. And then below it, you will see the percentage of traders are currently on USDJPY, 14%. So when they add all the traders on my FXBook, 14% of them are actually trading USDJPY. So when you take the total number of traders on this broker, known as my FXBook, 14% of traders on it are trading only USDJPY. 14% are trading only USDJPY. So once you see all these details, you are able to look at where the majority are, which is on short in terms of USDJPY. The majority are selling and the minority are buying. So you already know the rule. If you have watched the part 27 video, you are supposed to look for the buy opportunities because you always want to be in the minority. So you look for buy opportunities. So once you have other analysis to do, maybe technical analysis. When you do technical analysis, maybe if you are using indicators or if you are using price action or you are using something else, then the best to look for is buying opportunities because you always want to be in the minority, not in the majority. Is that okay? So this is what you will see when you go to my FXSbook.com. Now, just like I said, when you go to the description of this video, you will find a link to this site. Now, let's look at the next broker. The next broker, the next website, not a broker, sorry. The next website I would like to talk about is FXSSI.com. FXSSI.com. Now, they also have advert on their site, which is copyrighted. So I'm not able to go straight to their site, but I have a screenshot of what you will see on their site here for you. Now, when you go to FXSSI.com, this is what you will see. This is the most important aspect of it. You will see other things, okay? But this is the most important part. So you will find the description. In the description of this video, you will find the link to this website. I'll put the link straight that will take you to the sentiment area at the description of this video, okay? Now, The same thing, just like you saw with other websites. They have shaded portion. There is blue and then red. Blue and red. But when you go to the Myfxbook, you see that theirs is green and red. But here, theirs is blue and red. So FXSSI.com, blue and red. Now, the red portion has to do with the sellers. The blue portion has to do with the buyers. So they have only few currency pairs. For them, they don't have so many pairs. They have only few of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. About only 13 currency pairs is what they have. And then they keep you updated. Every minute, every second, they update you. Once you refresh the website, they give you or you get the latest update on the sentiment. So I took this screenshot in the last 6 minutes of when I actually refreshed. So whenever you refresh their page, you get the recent data on sentiment. So if you always want to get the recent sentiment, you always have to refresh the website. And once you do that, you get the latest sentiment data. So these currency pairs here, once you click on any of them, so if you click on AUD, JPY, or Euro JPY, or whatsoever, you will get the sentiment over here. So currently, this sentiment here is on Euro USD. It's on Euro USD. But there is something unique about this website. Remember, Myfxbook, they only give you sentiment on their broker, only with their broker. Okay, so Myfxbook is a broker, so they give you sentiment with regard to only them. But this website known as FXSSI.com, they give you sentiment based on a number of brokers. They don't just give you sentiment based on just one broker. This is the number of brokers that they are giving you sentiment on. This is the number of brokers that they are giving you sentiment on. So they are giving you sentiment based on FIBO Group, IGG, Oando, Myfxbook. So you see that this website is more advanced. They give you sentiment, including Myfxbook. Then they themselves as a broker, they are also a broker. So they also give you sentiment based on them. Are you getting the difference? Here they give you sentiment based on FIBO Group as a broker, IGG as a broker, Oando as a broker, Myfxbook as a broker, FXSSI as a broker, which is they themselves, Sasso as a broker, Insta broker, Dukascopy broker, FX Blue, and then FX Factory. The FX Factory, they are in charge of ForexFactory.com, where you always go to check what do you call it, news. So this broker do not just give you sentiment based on they themselves alone. They give you total sentiment based on a total number of how many brokers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 brokers. So they combine 10 brokers, which are very popular brokers in the world, especially FX Blue. They are one of the best brokers in the world, FX Blue. They don't just allow anyone at all to, they have a lot of strict rules. So to get sentiment from these people, it is a plus. And then also Oando is also another very good broker, and to get their sentiment is also a plus. And then FIBO Group, IGG, and then Insta Group, Dukas. These brokers are top-notch brokers. They are top-notch brokers. So to get their sentiment and then combine them to give us an average view is a plus for this website. The only challenge is that they only give you few currency pairs, very few. That is the only disadvantage. All right. Now, look at their sentiment. Now, under Euro USD alone, when they take the first broker, 72% are buying, 28% are selling. The second broker here, 60.27% are buying Euro USD, 39.73% are selling. The next broker, Owando, or Owanda, as you may call it, 58.22% are buying, 41.78% of traders are selling. My FXBook, which we just looked at, 56.82% are buying, and then 43.18% are selling. And then the FXSSI as a broker themselves, 52.15% are buying. This is selling. Sasso as a broker, 51.45% are buying, 48.55% are selling. Insta as a broker, 51.05% are buying. This is selling. Dukas as a broker, 49.57% are buying, 50.43% are selling. FS Blue, 45% are buying, 55% are selling. And then FX Factory, which they have a popular website known as Myfxbook Forex Factory. That is FX Factory. They own forexfactory.com. FX Factory, 43.27% are buying, 56.73% are selling. Now, when they add all these brokers, their sentiment, both buyers and then sellers, they are able to give you this. The total, 55.96% are buying, 44.04% are selling. So on average, you know that the total number of brokers here are about 10, and then 55.96 are buying, 44.04 are selling. So where is the majority? The majority is here. The majority are buying. So where do you think this trade will go? It will go sell. So you want to be in the minority. You want to be in the minority. So you'll be looking at selling opportunities when it comes to Euro USD. And if you look at the past 2 weeks, Euro USD has been selling. Euro USD has been selling like crazy. It's been selling like crazy. Today's date is 20th of November. So if you calculate the past 2 weeks, today is 20th November 2021. 20th November 2021. So it's Saturday. If you look at the past 2 weeks, if you go to the past 2 weeks and you check, you will see that Euro USD has been selling like crazy. So this website is a top notch. It's one of, for me, it's one of the best sentiment websites. But the only disadvantage is that they are only limited to a few currency pairs, very few currency pairs. They have gold. They give you sentiment on gold, USD Chef, NZD USD, GBP JPY, Euro JPY, AUD USD, AUD JPY, Euro AUD, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CAD, and then USD JPY. These are only the few currency pairs that they give you sentiment on. That is my only worry. Has it not been that, they would have been my best sentiment website. So that is that on FXSSI.com. Is that okay? Now, let's continue to the next sentiment site that I want to show you. And that is DailyFX.com. Remember, when you go to the description of this video, you can find all the links over there. Now, with my DailyFX.com, they don't have adverts or ads on their site. So I want to take you straight to their site and show you some of these things. Okay? So let's go straight to their website, which is DailyFX. I'm taking you straight to DailyFX. Let's go to their site so that I can show you what I want to show you. DailyFX. All right, so this is, okay, this is the, I'm not going to zoom. This is DailyFX, okay? This is the website for DailyFX. Now, When you go to DailyFX here, this is their website. Now, the one thing I want you to know is that they have a great menu over here. On this menu, you come to strategies, trading strategies. Under the trading strategies, you see sentiment. You see sentiment here? Once you click on sentiment, it will take you to the sentiment page here. This is sentiment page. Now, under the sentiment page here, you will see view full IG client sentiment. This is also sentiment from IG broker. Okay. So when you go to their website here, IG broker here, you get the full details. You get the full details. Okay. Now, when you come here, there's something that you will notice. Okay. I think this broker, they also have adverts, but they have advertisement on their site. So let me move back from there and come to this. Let me go back to the, what they call it, what I want to show you. Okay. Okay. Going back to the slide. Okay. Now, sorry, IG client sentiment website, they also have adverts. They have adverts on the site, so I don't want them to restrict this video. So because of that, let's go back to the slide and then I can show you what their website gives us. Now, when you go to their site, I'll give you the link that will give you straight to the sentiment area, okay? You'll find a lot of things when you go there. So when you go to their site, you will see a lot of things. You will see traders' position and the rest, but to make you get the whole idea and to make you understand what this sentiment issue or sentiment thing is all about, you will understand that when you go to the sentiment area, to prove to you that this sentiment thing we're talking about is actually the reality, the red line you see with the blue aspect is the sentiment. And then the dotted lines you see here are the candlesticks. So for instance, AUD-JPY, there's the screenshot. You see that whenever sentiment is down here, look at the red line is down here. This is sentiment. When sentiment is down, the trade is going the opposite direction, which is going up. So when sentiment is heavy on sell, the trade is going on buy. Look at here. When sentiment was going on buy, which is up here, the trade was going sell. Going sell. When sentiment began going down here or coming down, the trade also started going up. Do you really see that? Sentiment up here, trade going down here, opposite. Sentiment begins to come down here, the trade also begins to go up. So whenever sentiment is on one side, heavy on one side, the trade goes heavy on the other side. Look at here. Sentiment came down here, the sellers were more, the trade went by. Look at here. Sentiment was down here, the trade remained up here, consolidating. So this is a clear idea or thing to tell you that what we're talking about is not a lie. Whenever sentiment is heavy on one side, you will see that the banks will take the trade to the opposite direction. So when you go to the link, DailyFX, the link is at the description of this video. You'll be able to navigate. And then the only thing about DailyFX is that they also give you sentiment based on their broker alone, IG. So IG as a broker, they give you their daily sentiment or their data based on only their broker. So that is the only thing. But with only them, it also works. Yes, with only them, it works. So you have no cause to worry. If you still have challenge, I will be available to assist you when you get in touch with me. But like I said, this community, we want it to grow. Now, the next one is Dukascopy.com. Dukascopy.com is also another sentiment site, and you'll find the link there. Dukascopy, I wouldn't want to talk much about it because I really do not use their sentiment much. But if you want to use their sentiment, you have to be looking at this side. Okay. You always have to be looking at the weekly, which is the 5 days ago sentiment. But you have no cause to worry because the other website, which is this one, gives you Dukascopy here. Dukas is here as a broker. Did you see that? Dukas is here. Let me go back to Dukas. Sorry. Dukas is here. Yes, when you come here, Dukas is here. The broker is here. So their sentiment is here. But just that, like I said, it's only few currencies. But if you want day alone, their sentiment, then you can quickly go and then grab it. You go and grab it here. The link is there. Go to their website. I'll leave the link. Sorry, I'll leave the link at the description. Go there and then you'll be able to see it. But if you want to use them based on the 5 days one. And the red is for the sellers. And then the green is for the buyers. All right. There's detail about this that I may explain. But when you see their sentiment going up to 49.50, when you see it around 49.50, that should tell you that there will be a reversal. It means sentiment has gone to the extreme. That is with them. When it reaches 49, like you see here, when the sellers gets to 49, it means it has gotten to the extreme. So there might be opposite direction. Okay. So that is that. But I wouldn't waste my time on it because I've not really been using them that much. But when you go to their site, you get all the details that you need. Okay. But if you still want a proof that what I'm showing you right now is actually a proof that these banks, they take price to the direction that we go, you can check DailyFX and then you'll be able to see it clearly. Is that okay? I wouldn't want this video to be so long. I'll leave it here and then we'll look at our next video, which is coming very soon. Thank you for doing the watching and I'll see you in our next video. Until then, take care and I wish you the best.